Good morning, my dear teacher and friends. Today I am showing you my chicky picky chicks. They're born in my house, and first I will show you their mother, whose name is Dana. This is Dana, and she is 1.5 years old.
This is my dad.
This is her first child, and her name is Gold. She is black in color, and she have golden feathers in her body. You can also see some other hens. They are Dana's sisters. Their names are Ambu, yellow, Vellaram, black and white, and Patari, orange. Here is our next chicks. The grey one is called Henry, and the black one's name is Penny. These two are also Dana's chicks. They are so cute. All of them lives here very happily and joyfully. Most of them come when I call their name. Patari is the oldest hen among them. I love them so much.